Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fun and practical: how to marry a millionaire. Now, it's important to remember that financial stability is just one part of a successful relationship. But if you're interested in finding love with someone who's financially established, this video's for you. We'll cover 15 practical steps to help you connect, build attraction, and develop a genuine relationship with someone who shares financial success. Let's get started. This is Wealthlocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Before you think about attracting a millionaire, get clear on your own values and goals. What truly matters to you in a relationship? Is it ambition, kindness, family, adventure? Being financially stable can be appealing, but it's crucial to know what kind of partner you want beyond their bank account. When you're aligned with your own values, you're more likely to attract someone who shares those values. Clarity about what you want helps you avoid relationships built solely on financial expectations and increases the likelihood of a meaningful connection. Millionaires are often drawn to people who are confident, well-rounded, and capable. Take time to focus on your self-development. This could mean expanding your knowledge, getting fit, learning new skills, or even advancing your career. The goal is to become the best version of yourself. When you invest in yourself, you exude confidence and independence, qualities that are attractive to anyone, especially those who are financially successful. Self-development not only boosts your confidence, but also shows that you're someone with a purpose and drive. A practical way to meet financially successful individuals is by expanding your social network. Attend events, conferences, and gatherings where successful people are likely to be, like business networking events, charity galas, or industry meetups. Building connections with like-minded, ambitious people helps you enter the circles where high-net-worth individuals socialize. This not only increases your chances of meeting potential partners, but also helps you cultivate a social circle that supports your own goals and growth. Certain hobbies are popular among millionaires, like golfing, yachting, skiing, and attending cultural events. Consider learning these activities or participating in events where people with similar interests gather. Having common hobbies can create a natural, genuine connection. Plus, taking up these activities puts you in environments where you're more likely to meet financially successful individuals, allowing conversations and connections to flow more organically. Financially successful individuals are usually financially savvy, and they appreciate a partner who understands money and wealth management. Learn about investing, saving, and personal finance to show that you can relate to their world. Financial knowledge shows that you're responsible, mature, and capable of handling money. Millionaires are often attracted to people who understand and respect wealth, making financial literacy a powerful trait that can help you connect with them on a deeper level. First impressions are key, especially when moving in circles with successful people. You don't need to buy designer clothes, but dressing tastefully and presenting yourself with confidence can make a huge difference. How you present yourself speaks volumes about how much you value yourself. Dressing well doesn't mean overspending. It means being thoughtful, polished, and carrying yourself with poise. This helps you fit in comfortably in any setting and gives off a sense of self-respect and class. Confidence and authenticity are incredibly attractive. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Instead, focus on being yourself and allowing your true personality to shine. People are drawn to those who are genuine and comfortable in their own skin. Millionaires, like anyone else, value authenticity. They likely encounter many people trying to impress them, so being genuine helps you stand out. Confidence in who you are, paired with authenticity, shows that you're interested in a real connection, not just their status. Successful people often have high-stress responsibilities, and they value a partner who brings positivity, encouragement, and support to their life. Being a source of positivity can be incredibly attractive to someone with a demanding lifestyle. Your attitude can set you apart from others. A positive and supportive partner is a valuable asset, especially for someone who faces pressure and challenges. Demonstrating that you're a calming, uplifting presence can make you someone they want to be around. Millionaires may lead lifestyles that involve travel, fine dining, and attending exclusive events. Show a willingness to embrace new experiences and step out of your comfort zone. Being open to new experiences demonstrates adaptability and curiosity, qualities that make you a more compatible partner. Embracing different lifestyles and new adventures shows that you're flexible, open-minded, and excited to grow alongside your partner. Wealthy individuals often value their privacy, especially since they may attract attention in their social circles. Respecting their boundaries and not prying too much into their financial status early on is key to building trust. Respecting their privacy shows maturity and understanding. By focusing on getting to know them as a person, not just their wealth, you build a solid foundation of trust and show that you're genuinely interested in who they are beyond their finances. Being a good listener is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build a connection. Wealthy individuals may be used to people trying to impress them, but few people take the time to truly listen to them. Listening shows that you're thoughtful and genuinely care about what they have to say. Being a good listener can make them feel valued and respected, which is refreshing and can deepen your connection with them. Successful people are often attracted to partners who share their ambition and drive. It doesn't matter if your goals are different. Showing that you're passionate and working toward your dreams can be very appealing. Ambition shows that you're proactive, resilient, and goal-oriented. Millionaires respect partners who are motivated, and being driven makes you someone they can admire and see as a true equal in the relationship. Millionaires tend to be financially responsible, and they look for that same trait in a partner. Showing that you manage your finances well, stick to a budget, and avoid frivolous spending demonstrates maturity and discipline. Financial responsibility is key to a healthy, stable relationship. Showing that you understand and respect money demonstrates that you're interested in a balanced, grounded relationship rather than simply enjoying a luxurious lifestyle. It's important to show that you're interested in them as a person, not just their wealth. Avoid asking questions about their assets or luxurious lifestyle too soon, as it might come off as superficial. People appreciate partners who care about them for who they are, not just their net worth. Focusing on building an emotional and intellectual connection first helps to establish trust and demonstrates that you're not just interested in material gain. Building a relationship with someone financially established doesn't happen overnight. Take your time, be patient, and allow the relationship to develop naturally without rushing for commitment. Relationships take time to grow, especially when significant financial resources are involved. Rushing can create pressure or make the relationship feel transactional. By allowing things to unfold organically, you show respect for their life, schedule, and emotional needs, building a more meaningful bond. And that's it. 15 tips on how to marry a millionaire. Remember, while financial stability can be a perk, building a genuine, lasting relationship requires mutual respect, understanding, and authenticity. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone interested in finding a meaningful partnership. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with a ring around your finger.